Hello, everyone. Thank you for choosing Amazing TV 254. Are you tired of watching other people make money online while you sit on the sidelines? Are you waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect skill, or the perfect amount of savings to finally start your own online journey? If you have no experience, no technical background, and no extra money to invest, I have great news for you. The digital economy does not care about your past. It cares about your effort today. Right now, there are millions of people just like you earning a steady income from home using nothing but a basic smartphone or a laptop and an internet connection. They did not start as experts. They started as beginners who refused to make excuses. Today, you are going to learn exactly how to join them. Let us be completely honest from the very beginning. The biggest trap for beginners is the search for a magic button. You see videos online promising thousands of dollars overnight for doing absolutely nothing. That is a lie. Real online income requires real action, but the good news is that the action does not have to be complicated. You do not need a university degree in computer science to make your first dollar online. You just need to know where to look and how to position yourself. The absolute easiest place to start when you have zero experience is with micro tasks and digital assistants. Think about small businesses around you or online. They are completely overwhelmed with daily repetitive tasks. They need people to copy text from images into spreadsheets. They need people to organize customer contact lists. They need help replying to basic messages on WhatsApp, Instagram, or Facebook. This is called data entry and basic virtual assistants. It requires zero upfront knowledge because the client usually tells you exactly what to do. You are trading a bit of your time for immediate financial reward. Another major opportunity hiding in plain sight is social media management for local brands. Think about your local restaurants, small shops, or independent service providers. Most of them know they need to be on social media, but they simply do not have the time or the energy to post updates. You do not need to be a professional marketing guru to help them. You can use free, simple design tools on your phone like Canva to create clean, basic posts. By offering to schedule their posts and reply to customer inquiries, you solve a massive problem for them. They win more customers, and you earn a predictable monthly fee. If you want to build something that creates passive income over time, you must look into affiliate marketing. This sounds technical, but the concept is incredibly simple. You are essentially acting as a digital matchmaker. Companies want to sell products, and people want to buy them. When you sign up for a free affiliate program, the company gives you a unique tracking link. You share this link on your social media pages, your WhatsApp status, or in helpful online forums. When someone clicks your link and buys the product, the company pays you a percentage of the sale as a commission. You do not have to manufacture anything. You do not have to ship anything, and you never have to handle customer service. Your only job is to connect the right person with the right product. As you step into this world, you must protect yourself from predators. The internet is full of online scams targeting people who want to earn money. The golden rule of online work is simple. A real job will never ask you to pay money to start working. If a website or an individual asks you for a registration fee, a file activation fee, or a mandatory training fee, close the page immediately. They do not want to employ you. They want to take your money. Real platforms pay you for your work. You never pay them for the privilege of working. To truly succeed and stand out from the crowd, you need to adopt the right mindset. Do not try to master 10 different things at the same time. Pick just one method that fits your current setup. If you only have a smartphone, focus heavily on social media help, mobile-friendly microtasks, or affiliate marketing. Dedicate at least 2 hours every single day to learning the ropes and sending out applications. Consistency is the ultimate filter. Most people quit after 3 days because they did not get rich immediately. If you can stay consistent for just 1 month, you will already be ahead of 90% of your competition. The world of online income is wide open, and the entry barriers have completely collapsed. You do not need permission from a boss. You do not need a fancy office. And you do not need a huge bank account. Every expert you see online today was once a complete beginner who knew absolutely nothing. They simply decided to take action instead of waiting for a perfect day. Stop scrolling through success stories and start writing your own. Go and take action. See you in the next video.